and welcome to the 31 days of Halloween cupcake toppers. Okay, I tried to be theatrical. It's not happening. What is up, guys? Welcome to Day to Day Ray with me, your girl Ray Ray. Hey, hi, how's it going? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to October. It is now time for all things that are spooky. Yes. Now, I have actually had a few people request and message me personally. I had a few messages on Instagram, and I actually had a couple messages on my Ray's Cakes page. They were like, Ray, I really enjoyed your 24 days of Halloween your 24 days of Christmas cupcake toppers. Would you be willing to do a spooky one for October and do Halloween? And to that, I said, challenge accepted. If there is a cupcake topper that you would like me to create or recreate, please let me know down in the comments below this video, below another video. Reach out to me on Facebook or Instagram. I'm even on TikTok. So just reach out to me and let me know. Now, each video, I also do want to say, most videos will only have one cupcake topper in them. But there will be some videos that will have multiple cupcake toppers in it, like today's video. Today's video is a little hint of what, oops, wrong side. This is a little hint of what today's video is going to be. Now, yes, it will be a witch's brew. And it's not going to be that spooky unless you catch me without what is in my witch's brew cup, which is coffee. So I'm going to be doing fall and Halloween theme latte cups or coffee to go cups. So I thought it would be really fun, just a fun thing to start off the month with. I will have some cutesy ootsy cupcake toppers. I will have some scary, spooky cupcake toppers. I'm gonna have a variety. So again, if there's any requests that you have or things you would like me to try and make during this month, please let me know down below. If I don't get to it, I promise I will save it and maybe we'll do it next year or do it another time. So with that being said, friends, let's get on with the spookiness, which is my nails right now because I did not have time to do them because I wanted to do my nails for the video. So that's spooky enough. Let's go.